Karbi Chokomar Asong Akimi Bang Photum Semekure Kedeng. Bokatan College along Freshers Social Meet Kepado. Karbi Anglong rong saramai pen rong nihang waisong aklamalong bang puamai kangni. Kardom adaba birta long peneli velbon kropi non birta ang ton pen arjoik tha Karbi Chokomara song mate Karbi Employees Association Akimi bangpu bang piatum chiti ner kep ani lurulang so methang sa hemalong simekure tangsi arpu dengpon tang lopusi katne salong birta nang pali Karbi Chokomara song pachathang chunbang hakim rongpi pen ladak birta nang gipali atengke bukulia along ke do United Karbi Klaus sa hemalong paipai kora troxy arni songamai pikibia hut bangpu bang pikimi kangwai ateng chiti ner kep arni lurulang so Karbi Chokomara song sa hemalong simekure tangsi arpu chepek mai phubarim ratneswar tiso chephampu amayalong kadukawe bang thomkep bangpu bang pikimiatum semekure dengsi arbu dengpon renti semekure kedenga Chokomara tumke maipu longsing timung dun maipu babusing tokbi Dipali Ingjaipi Kongchun Bang Dilip Rongpi Rap Kongchun Bang Joy Singh Teron Rolling Ingti Jonathan Ingti Kathar Haihuetum Henlo Bokatan College along Chiti Nerkep Arni Freshers Social Meet Padopen College along Men Kachatapmi Risunim Somar Atumapat Karcha Sai Pado Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Tok Langkang Tui Angdeng Sai Kami Yem Jagot Singh Ingti Aluhi Sarpo Aman Penchetong Dun Lapen Alangli Aluhi Sarpo Alam Jera Long Kaning Jike Kiong Dung Au Somar Apia Potum Private College along Siketoy Dun Kiong Lapen Ang Tek Resulta Hinuni Bonta Government College along ke Charlie Au Somar Atum ke Satlang Mimi La Satlang ke Mimi Atheke Than Bangatum Lo ke Than ke Pangkre Pudam Mimi Karbi Anglong along ke Charlie Atomon ke Padu Japan Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Pen Bori Pon Bom Lopota EM Ingti Ningje Bokatan Constituency MSC Mati EM Madhurjo Dhekel Phukon Assam University Difu Campus Than Bang A IBM Chachanu Bokatan College of Principal Sanjay Kumar Singh Eastern Karbi Anglong College of Principal Anil Chandra Das Pen Cheng Lok Pen An ke Thegeding Abang Phubang Phiatum Karchua Mailong Chetong Dun Namalam Sopor Phanbirta Moing Toponik Sina
Assam Hill Small Industries Development Corporation pen Arniwang Hemalong akenang sa hormu ason salam pontanglo. Lasinang tum Arniwang kenang sot kecu ason la penthesri alang hithi kulat along longpon ikji. Kang sirtang kejun alang tharwe alang theso alang kecu ajam tu tharmit adu thelua kreng chitronola ukthor pen chenglok ongdung Hemalong akenang sot hormu longpon ikji.
Turkimi outlet opposite LDRB Difu Karbi Anglong Assam. 10% off in every kitchen and dining items like Hawkins, flasks, Milton, Treo, Shreya Iron, etc. 10% off in makeup and cosmetic products. And grocery items.
Come one, come all. Grand opening of Bazaar, India. a shopping mall consisting of various quality of gents wear, ladies wear, kids wear, and tremendous quality of household items, accessories, etc. Difu Main Market, Old LIC Building, Karbi Anglong, Assam. Looking for your needs? Visit Bazaar India. Dihnamo people thad biota long wang thulo. Karbi Anglong rong saramai. Pen chiti ner kep ani rong ni hang wai song aklamalong bang phomai padosi Karbi Anglong rong saramai pen ki claim ki dam nang jet to mana pothak ching wai ching sai dam Karbi Anglong rong saramai amai phu ram terang chip hem phu pen ki pado bang phu amai along kongchun bang thon sing rong hang si mai ki phalam thi pachini mai long 6 schedule aron pen Karbi ajutang bisar kidar mate customary location sike pangtang jima lahaya pothak ta kaching wai RDP dam mai along West Karbi Anglong Satgaon Rongkuroi Alongsi Karbi Anglong rong saramai ningkan sek amai pi ke pado Japan mailong lam the cheparai Dengang patua klamalong jorsing rong pilapen kari kropia men pen ke pado football kachepati chitiner kep ani angdung kiti pathu pajut pon tanglo Dokmoka Morning Star Academy lapen Dengang Morning Star Academy angbong angdung kiti football kachepate pado Dengang Morning Star Academy atum Dokmoka Morning Star Academy aphan ball pumpho thap si angdung kiti anong echepalong ke hai kere mate rangaphan chophal hi atum sin nong e pajem ada ba biota bang gela pan skang ton padiglo to mithak mi korwang thu